How to find and see billings and earnings on your Upwork account. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. First thing, go to upwork.com. I'm gonna go to the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple, just follow with me. Go here to reports and go down to billing and earnings. Now all what you have to do is simple, just go here and you will find your billing and earnings. As you can see, you can find the lifetime billed right here. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.